Okay, so what we have so far, this is going to be the hallway going into our bedroom. That green line is going to be a wall. And we'll walk into our bedroom. There's my man. And then,
washroom. Where's the washroom?
oh, you have to go through this door that's going to be right here. And we're going to walk through this door. And this will be our bathroom. And that's where the vanity goes. Toilet's going to go over here. And then shower goes right there. We'll walk back through where our doors can be. This will be the bedroom. We'll have a vaulted ceiling. Just walking past all the insulation. And then over there is a door going out to our balcony. Would you like to see our view? Walk over all this crap. There'll be a full glass French door there. That will be our view. We get to watch the sunset there. There's gonna be a wall that goes all the way down there, and our closet is gonna be really long. And that's what we have so far.